Good morning, Internet. Okay, we've had the wine bottle, we've had the Tesla coil on top of the wine bottle. Now we're going to take the wine bottle out and just replace it with a Tesla coil. You pick up with a piece of wire just to get a signal on the oscilloscope. I'm keeping the old primary coil, and as you can see, just replacing the wine bottle with the Tesla coil. Three millimeter aluminium rod down the middle of the Tesla coil, and the lights get connected to that again. The same as we did to the wine bottle. The bottom end of the Tesla coil is going to get a clip lead connecting it to the transistor, actually to the base of the transistor. Connecting the negative. You can see my batteries are a bit flat again, but it still runs. And connecting the bottom of the Tesla coil to the base of the transistor. Waiting for the capacitors, the big capacitors, to charge up a bit, and then the lights should come on. Yeah, there they are. We're getting 80 volts at the top of the Tesla coil with 227 peak to peak sine wave. Okay, this was a different clip that I've taken. The batteries was a bit more fully charged. I've got 12.3 volts there. Again, connecting the bottom of the Tesla coil to the base of the transistor. And my scope doesn't like the Tesla coil very much because of the RF frequency that the Tesla coil puts out. On the four LEDs connected to the big capacitors, I haven't changed anything on the wiring diagram. Just taking the clip off at the base of the transistor, putting it back so that you can see the coil starts charging up the capacitors and the LEDs come on. Please like and subscribe. Love you all and see you in the next video.